is the stock from inside the car. Probably not gonna hear a difference even before or after. Quick little pull to 60. Yeah, so today I got the Borla coming in the mail, but gonna probably just pay to have someone throw it on. I don't feel like getting under the car. No one needs that. Yeah, hopefully she gets a little more throttle response. She can breathe better. Better gas mileage, if you can relate. 11 and a half. God damn. Beauty. That sunset coming. Actually, gotta get all the footage I can of the exhaust before. All right, there they are. You like it? It's my first time here. Oh shit. Oh my god, I'm such a douchebag. Such a douchebag. Oh, I'm gonna look all under it. So good. So good. They're gonna be like, oh my god, this kid. I gotta give him a full rip down Union. They know I'm gonna do it too. It's only I got to. Little cold rip, engine's not even hot. I don't care. You guys all in the comments gonna be like, oh my god, your engine's not warm. She'll be fine. So much fucking... Maybe I'll go this way. The long way home. Shit's just loud and slow. Fucking down the road. I love it. Let's see the inside noise. Oh my god. Finally, I can hear this engine I pay for. Oh my god. It's so good. Like, who wouldn't want... Like, oh my god. I just came from the gym. I can't even get like a full reaction, but I'm loving it. A little like vibration, like it sounds kind of tacky, honestly. Some downshifts here. Yes, the Borla. No, it sounds good. Alright, let me drive it home and see how it feels. Put the vent up. People are gonna be like, yo, we got an SRT now. So good. We're gonna get pulled over so many times. Cop magnet. Coming around. Should I do a little 0 to 60? Get pulled over on video. See if I can break my time. See if it's faster. So that's a 0 to 60 timer. .6. The best is 5.5. Getting some smells, healthy smells. And do it from across. That's the shop. Tunnel. Okay. That's enough of that. That's enough of that. Success. Oh, yep. Where can I put my phone? Yep, too good.